Hi, I'm Eric Ritzman, Vice President of TrueBlue Power. Today I want to introduce you to two of our newest products, intelligent battery chargers. Let's start with the first one, the MX. This is a maintenance charger, really meant to extend the life of your battery that you have sitting on your shelf, with automatic charging for your lithium-ion and seal lead acid battery. It's got a small, readable screen that displays voltage at all times and provides 2.5 amps of power. It's compact, simple, and locks on to any MS3509 battery. Next, I want to bring your attention to the Pro. This is a feature-rich charger that is really meant for your maintenance shops. It automatically charges, discharges, and tests batteries. So really a capacity check. It comes preloaded with every parameter of our Gen 5 batteries, TB44 and TB17. It also has a mode very unique to chargers out there in the world. It will discharge the battery automatically down to 30% state of charge. This will allow you to take any lithium-ion battery and ship it via air anywhere in the world.